What's up, my beautiful babes? Savvy Trina here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been mad long since I've been on here. I took a longer break than I intended to. Got lazy, forgot about my channel, but I'm back. I'm back. As you can tell by the title, I will be trying to tint my eyebrows. I've seen a couple TikToks of some girls do it using Just for Men, and they do their eyebrows, they dye it, they remove it from the front, however they do it, and it comes out looking flawless, natural, and they say it lasts for a month. So we're gonna try that out today. I'm gonna be taking y'all to the store with me. We're gonna be picking it out, all of that, coming back home, trying it, seeing the results, see if it worked, see if I burn my eyebrows off. Who knows? So yeah, stay tuned for that. As y'all can see, it is a beautiful sunny day in New York City with all of the snow all around the place. But yeah, I'm on my way to Walgreens now. Let's see how it goes. Alright, y'all, so we are in Walgreens right now, and I'm looking at all of these things. I don't know which one to get. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. So, these are all the Just for Men things they have. They're all on sale, which is good. It is a little bit pricey, but then again, I don't know. Maybe that's just for me. So, I don't think that's for me because it says shampoo and color. That's for mustache and beard. So I think this is the one that I've seen in the TikToks to do. So I'm gonna pick out a color. I might pick this one out. I'm not sure because it says real black and that says darkest brown. I don't need nothing too dark. Which one y'all think I should get? That's M55 and that's M50. And they got this, a dark brown. That box is beat up though. I'm gonna let y'all know which one I picked, right? Alright, so I am back home now. I got this one, darkest brown. So let's see what to do. Comes with some instructions, a little tray. There's some gloves in it, but obviously I don't need that. Comes with a little brush. I'm not gonna use this because, yeah, no, I'm trying to make it precise. And two parts, the developer and then the color. And this paper. So I'm gonna read the instructions so I don't mess my eyebrows up. And let's get started. So the instructions were simple. I don't know why I thought it would be difficult. I do like how they have like little pictures. So, you know, if you're one of the slow people like me, you could just see what to do. It's really simple. I forgot already. So we're gonna put the color base first, and then the developer mix a little bit, and then put it on our eyebrows. So it says to make sure to put it on a dry base. So I washed my face this morning, so it should be fine. I don't have nothing on my eyebrows right now. I did do a trim the other day, so I know exactly where to put it. The TikToks that I seen, the girls, they wiped it off in the front after like 3 minutes, so that's what I'm going to do. This says 5 minutes. I've seen some girls say she left it on for 10 minutes. I don't know. I'm gonna do what I want. I'm not going to use this. As I said, I'm probably gonna use one of my makeup brushes so I get the precise accuracy that I want. Something skinny so I don't mess up any lines, put too much on, and then I look crazy for the next month. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this. And yeah. So this is what it's looking right now. The brown stuff is the color base, that's the developer. So I'm gonna mix it up. I didn't put that much like in here because it's for my eyebrows, it's not for a beard or a mustache. I'll probably put some more in later if it's not enough. Yeah. Got my mirror here, my lighted up mirror, so I can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna like get this started. Can y'all see me? I'm gonna paint it on there, I guess. I don't know. I mean, I've dyed my hair plenty of times, so this shouldn't be too hard. Can you stop honking? I'm making a video. They don't care that I'm making a video. I guess we'll wait. Right now for me, it is 2:05 p.m. I think I'm gonna come back at like 2:15. After like 3 more minutes, I'll probably wipe the front off and let the rest develop. See what happens. Alright, so I think it's time for me to take this off now. I'm gonna go ahead and use a baby wipe. I'm kind of scared because I didn't do like the most cleanest application. Okay, so it's not that bad. Definitely could have done the tail better. It definitely did get darker, which I guess is good. I did use darkest brown. Maybe if you want your eyebrows to be more darker than that, you should use jet black. I don't know. I was too scared to use jet black. I'm happy with it, honestly, because I didn't want my eyebrows to be too dark. I don't like my eyebrows to be too dark. I used to do that in high school and I look like a clown. So I like it. Gonna make sure I don't look stupid. And if there's any parts that I feel like could be better, I'm gonna just like go over it with some more, because it did change colors in a little tray thingy. But I definitely probably could have left it on for some more time, like over here. Yeah, but I feel like it worked. I know I look crazy, but it worked. That was the whole point. It all depends on your application. Look at my hands. Same thing used to happen to me when I used to dye my hair. But this hack did work, so it is not a fail. I just have to apply it better. So yeah, I'm most likely gonna go over it again and apply it more cleaner. And yeah, so if you want to try this out, go ahead. It does work, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, so I lied. I did reapply it. That was not the end of the video. That looks so much better, you know, so much more cleaner. I actually took my time to apply it in the way that my eyebrow shape is. As I've already proven, the hack works. I just wanted it to look a little bit better. As you can see around the edges, I told you I was gonna fix it. I'm not gonna walk around looking stupid. Right now it's 2:31. I think I'm gonna leave this on here for about 10 to 15 minutes. Wipe off the front. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that at all. You didn't see anything. I'm gonna wipe out the fronts after 5 minutes and wait to see what happens. Alright, time for the moment of truth. As you can see, as I said, you know the process. I already did this before. I got a fresh baby white. Ooh, it is most definitely looking better than what it was before. So this is proof that if you mess up the first time, you can always go back and fix it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. And I did leave it on for like 10 minutes. After about like 5 minutes, I did the front. So I like it. I'm gonna make sure I got everything on. Let me turn this mirror light off. So this is how my eyebrows are looking. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm glad I got the darkest brown, as I showed y'all before. That's the one I got. That works for me because I didn't want my eyebrows to be too dark, walking around looking like Pennywise. So most definitely worked. And what I do really like about this is all you have to buy is one box. I literally use like a tiny dot of each. So this will last you a while. Don't be stupid like me and get it all over your hands and stuff. Make sure you have paper towels nearby. I use baby wipes because I don't have any makeup wipes. So you can use baby wipes, makeup wipes, or just, I guess, a warm rag. Yeah. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I most definitely enjoyed this. I am definitely back on YouTube. I did miss making videos. I've been bored with my life, having nothing else better to do. So I'm back. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this. Share it with your friends. I'm trying my best here. I am. Make sure you stay beautiful. Have a great day. I love you. See you all in the next video. Bye!